Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve review exercise for the curve graph. So for each equation, we need to complete the table for the value. Okay, let's write it the value starting with x, -1, then we got negative 0.5, 0 and 1. Then we got 1.5, 2 and 2.5. Okay, what will be the value of y? Okay, we just substitute here. So if x equal to -1, it's going to be -1 cube and then minus negative by 2 times -1. So we will got the answer of 1. So we just substitute for each. So negative 0.5 inside of x, we will write it negative 0.5. So you will get the answer of 0.875. If 0, just substitute here, then you will get as 0. Next, if 1, so we'll change it. So 1 cube minus by 2 times 1. So we got as -1. I missed 1 point. Let's, can move it a little bit. Okay. We have to write as 0.5 in the between. So if we 0.5, we just substitute here. So 0.5, and then here also 0.5. Then we will get the answer of negative 0.875. If 1.5, so we can substitute from here. So it's 1.5 cube, and then minus by 2 times 1.5. So we will get the answer as 0.375. Now it's 2, so we can just substitute 2. So 2 cube, we minus by 2 times 2. So we will get the answer as 4. Next here, if 2.5, so we can just substitute 2.5. Also 2.5. So we will get the answer as 10.625. Here is the table. So okay, make it clear the table. Here are the table. So for each value of x, value of y, so we can just plot into the graph. So I will write it for you. So the first point, we got -1 and 1. Then we got negative 0.5, 0.875. Next, we got origin point. We got 0.5, negative 0.875. Next point, we got 1, negative 1. Next point, we got 1.5. 1.5, 0.375. Then we got 2.4. And the last point from here, okay, let me write it here. Last point 2.5 and 10.625. Okay, we got all this point. To draw it, you just need to plot all the point into the graph. So now I will screenshot. Here it is. So each point, as you can see from here, the first point -1 and 1, first point, and then here second point, origin, go on again, 1. Okay, until 2.5 and 10.625. Okay, here it is the graph. B, so let me write it somewhere here, B. So we got x. For B, the value of x starting with -1, the same thing as before, -1, negative 0.5, 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, and 2.5. We just substitute into this equation. So if this is -1, so 2 plus by -1 square minus by 1 divided by -1. So the first y will got as 4. So the second y, we can just substitute negative 0.5 into the x. So it's gonna be 0.5, also 0.5. So we will get the answer as negative. So we will get the answer as 4.25. Okay, next, if we make it 0 here. Remember, we cannot divide any number by 0, so there is no value for 0. Next, if 0.5, so yeah, we will get as 0.25. If this is 1, just substitute 1 here. So we will get as 2. If 1.5, just substitute here. So we get as 3.58. Next, if 2, we can just substitute here. 2 and then 2. So we got as 5.5. Last, if 2.5, so we can just substitute here. 2.5, 2.5. You will get the answer of 7.85. So here is the table. Okay. The table for the second equation. So the point, we can write it. We got negative 1 and 4. Next, negative 0.5 and 4.25. Next one, we got 0.5 and 0.25. Next point, 1.2. 1.5 and 3.58. Next point here, 2.5.5. Then 2.5.7.85. Okay, we got the plot. So we just need to draw it into the graph. I'll just copy paste. Here it is. As you mentioned it, there is no value for here. There is no value for 0. So here there is no value. So starting with here negative 1 and 4, and then go on and continue with 0.5, 1, x equal to 1, 0.5 equal to n equal to 2.5. There it is. So we just plot the point and make it the line. Okay, number 2. So we need to determine the equation. Okay, to each following graph. Okay, first, as this is negative, going down, so it's gonna be negative x squared. And here is the y-intercept is 1, so we can plus by 1. So y equal to negative, x squared plus 1. So when we find it, the x root, so we can make it 0 equal to negative x squared plus 1. So x squared equal to 1. So x equal to plus minus 1. Okay, here plus and minus 1. Next, for b. Okay, look at the point. We got negative 1.2 and it's cut 1. So if we are starting from up to down, so the power is gonna be negative. So if that's here y equal to a number power of negative x. So if x equal to 1, so we can make negative 1. And here is gonna be 2. What number it should be? So it's gonna be 2 equal to x. Okay, it's gonna be 1. Here 1 over x, so it's gonna be 2. Yeah, so it's gonna be 2 here. Can write it. And also sy equal to 1. So we can just power of 0 is gonna be 1. So here is for b is y equal to 2. Okay, 2 power of negative x. Here is the reciprocal. So we got 2.2 and 2.25. So we got, here is the reciprocal equation, y equal to a number, okay, divided by x. Okay, let's use 1 point. So if y equal to k, x equal 2. So the constant is gonna be 2 times 2, 4. So the equation we can write as y equal to 4 divided by x. Here also still the reciprocal. However, if look at it, we got the quadrant 2 and quadrant 4, the reciprocal is gonna be negative. So we can write it here, y equal to k divided by x. K here, y is negative 3 equal to k, x is gonna be 2. So we got the k equal to negative 6. So we just substitute it. So y equal to negative 6 over x. Or if you want, you can write it as xy equal to negative 6. Both of them is a reciprocal equation. Okay, 3. The diagram show 3 graphs. Okay, A, B, and C draw on the same axis. Write the equation of each graph. Okay, we need to draw it. So let's start with A, the straight line. Okay, for A here, okay, the gradient is 1. So A, y equal to x, because the gradient is 1, and its y-intercept is 2. So x plus by 2. Next, B. Okay, B is still straight line. Let us find the gradient. Okay, from here to here. Okay, change it in y. We can see negative 4. And here is 2. So the gradient is negative 2. So y equal to negative 2x. Okay, here the equation y equal to mx plus c. So we can just find it the gradient and y-intercept. So the y-intercept is plus by 10. So minus 2x plus by 10 as the y-intercept. Next equation. Okay, let us pick 1 point here. This is 2.4. So y equal to k point divided by x. Y is 4, k, and x equal 2. So the constanta is gonna be 8. So the equation for C, y equal to 8 divided by x, or we can write it as xy equal to 8. Okay, use the graph. Okay, we'll use the graph to find the simultaneous solution to the equation. A and C. Okay, this is A and this is the C. Okay, we got first point here and the second point is here. So this point is 2 and 4. For this point is negative 2 and negative 4. Okay, let me write it here. So x equal to y equal to 4, and one more is x equal to negative 4, and then y equal to negative 2. Next is BC. Okay, we can see the B and then C. Okay, we got only 1 and no 2 here, 1 and then 2. So we got 4.2 and then here is 1.8. So we can write it x equal to 1 and y equal to 8, and from here x equal to 4 and then y equal to 2. Okay, show that your solution to equation BC. Okay, let's prove it. BC. So equation of B, let me write it here, y equal to negative 2x plus 10. C is y equal to 8 divided by x. Okay, we can just substitute here y and y, make it y equal to y. So the first y is going to be negative 2x plus 10 equal to 8 divided by x. So we can multiply it, negative 2x squared plus by 10x equal to 8. You can simplify it, divide by 2, it's gonna be x squared plus by 5x equal to 4. Okay, we can rearrange it. So x squared negative 5x and then plus by 4 equal to 0. So we got the two value of x, so we can factorize it, x minus 4 and then x minus 1 equal to 0. So we got first x equal to 4 and then the second x equal to 1. Then we substitute into one of the equations, so y equal to a divided by x. So if the x is 4, so the y equal to, here y equal to a divided by x. If x equal to 1, so y equal to 8. Yeah, that is correct answer. D. What is the horizontal asymptote of the graph C? Here it is. The asymptote is when y equal to 0. So they will never touch it. So this is y equal to 0. Okay, I will continue for the next part. Thank you.